Today is the second part of my food themed crochet keychains, and today we're going to do the M&M. And the materials you're going to need for today's pattern are a white worsted weight yarn, whatever color you want for the background. For this one I did an orange, and then for this one I'm going to do a red. And you also need one of these keychains. I bought this off of Amazon in a pack of 100. You're also going to need a 4mm crochet hook, a yarn needle or darting needle, and a pair of scissors. These are my tiny pair because unfortunately I could not find my big pair of scissors. So we're going to start with our red, and you're going to make a magic circle. Insert your hook and chain 1. Then you're going to begin by making 6 single crochets into your magic circle. After you have 6 single crochets, pull your tail tight and slip stitch to your first stitch and chain 1. Now the next round is very simple. All you have to do is put 2 single crochets into each single crochet, making your stitch count 12. Then you're going to slip stitch to your first stitch and leave a nice long tail because we're going to sew it to the other one when we finish and cut your tail. And then you're just going to make another circle exactly like this one, so 6 single crochets and then double each stitch, giving you 12. And then on that one you can just cut your yarn and leave a normal tail and fasten off. So I have my 2 shapes here. And what we're going to do is very simple. You're going to take your one with the long tail and you're just going to put the yarn on your needle. Then we're going to connect the wrong sides together, and I'm just going to go through the back loop of each single crochet and sew it together. Going back and forth, so the back loops and back loops on each side, pull it together. And you're gonna go like this all the way around, but you are going to leave a little spot so you can stuff it before you finish off. So you're just gonna cut some white and add your M. I just try to you could, I guess, use a marker and mark out where you want to put your M, which I have done that before, but then sometimes it leaves like if I don't cover it all the way, you can see it when the product is finished, and I don't like leaving it. So I'm just gonna try to do my M as best as I can, and then I will see when I finish up. So real quick, if you're not good at embroidery, just like me, you could take the same color marker as your yarn and write out what you want to embroider. Just a small tip for you, so you can try to get it as accurately as possible. And now all that's left to do is add your keychain. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. And if you haven't done the chocolate chip cookie one, go over and check that out. I will leave a card above and a link down in the description below, and I'll see you next time.